Where is the Green Sheep by Felicity and Menaka. For this task, we chose to base our model on Where is the Green Sheep by Mem Fox. To do this, we used a 40 centimetre width by 35 centimetre height by 39 centimetre length black box to create the model.
Initially, we planned to push the tree over and reveal the green sheep. However, due to complications of making the system work efficiently, we decided to secure the bush and have the sheep touch a foil pad to complete an electrical circuit. As you can see, we have positioned numerous sheep characters from the book on a grassy plain made of tissue paper. To add in more detail, we used blue velvet for the sky, with cotton balls used as the clouds. We used materials such as cotton wool, paint, sticky tape, a plastic cup, tissue paper, googly eyes, fake flowers, 2 syringes, paper, laminating sheets, masking tape, foam balls, velvet, wool, the cardboard box, a toy train set, light bulbs, tubing, foil, toothpicks, hot glue gun, battery pack, electrical wires.
The two systems we have incorporated are the hydraulics and electrical systems. To do this, we have connected the syringe to the sheep. The sheep has been wired with green electrical lights that are connected to the positive battery pack. The negative wire runs to a foil pad, which allows the electrical lights on the sheep to light up.
Hydraulics was one of the first systems we encountered. Brian explains that hydraulics use water or air to create a force within an object, in this case a syringe which compresses the air from one point to another. Brian, 2016. We plan to use the hydraulic system to complete the electrical circuit. Movements such as these are seen in the brakes of our cars, like when the brake pedal is pushed down and pushes the piston in the brake's master cylinder. Syringes filled with water allows for 2 parts, the barrel and the plunger, to move the water from one end to another end of tubing, where another syringe is connected. The harder we press the syringe, the faster the water will move through the tubing and to the other end of the syringe to knock down the bush.
The electrical system was another useful system that we were able to use for this model. We were asked in class to create an electrical board as one of the weekly tasks. However, this was tricky at first. We were able to finally get the circuit working and able to example this in our model. With the electrical circuit attached to our hydraulic system, we hope to have the sheep move into a foil pad, which will allow the electrical system to work. Using this circuit allows for us to use the system in a way that captures the children's attention using bright colours. Electrical circuits work by having a battery or power pack attached to a set of wires, and then the battery is attached to an electrical appliance. By pushing one end of the syringe, air will flow through the tubing that is connected to another syringe. The second syringe is connected to the sheep, which is pushed along until it hits the foil pad. We use foil to help the electricity circuit run through the wires. Students require the abilities for design and tech with the use of strategies for understanding design needs and opportunities, visualizing and generating creative and innovative ideas, planning and analysing and evaluating those ideas that at best meet the criteria for success as advised by the Australian curriculum. The box allows for a sturdy hold in which children can play without bending or snapping the model. The hot glue should allow for everything to securely stick to the box. We created a tunnel to successfully hide the systems. Our intentions were to design a model based on the book. Overall, we both felt accomplished and successful with this model. We had an idea in mind and we executed it almost to plan. Obviously, a few things were adjusted over time to what we previously wanted the model to look like. However, we were happy with the outcome nevertheless. The massive issue for both of us was managing the time and trying to get this done together. We organised the roles as one of us doing the model and the other focusing on the design folio. However, we used the roles for our advantages and successfully made the model and design folio. If we could do this again, we would change the sheep up a little bit, possibly make it bigger or even make the bush out of a cardboard instead of laminated paper. We were able to get both systems working after some time and practice with the systems. We were able to find our materials easily and design each aspect of our model by consulting with one another and deciding which method worked better. We bounced ideas off of one another and were able to work with each other easily and successfully.